Alright, ladies and gentlemen,
we are extremely happy. We are extremely happy.
Today we have a 2003 Honda Accord Euro R, good old CL7. She's in mint condition. A beautiful what's it called? A beautiful example. The car is okay too. Yeah, so this one's in a lovely white. As you can see through the windshield, you have our Recaro buckets. Take a peek inside. Our lovely co-host is showing. Yes, hug you snug as a bug in a rug, fit like a glove. Down there we have our classic Honda metal shift knob, aluminium. Our 6-speed manual. Do a neutral check real quick. Other way. Alright, you got the spirit, but not quite. Alright. Our 3 metal pedals, floor mounted gas pedal. Nice spacious interior as per Accord. We have a DVD player actually, which is interesting. This radio don't really work that well, but navigation from the factory for 03, which is pretty good. This screen right here, we have dual zone climate control right here, front, rear, and mirror defrosters. So premium. This screen shows temperatures on each side, radio frequency, and time. All right, and we do have our vanity mirrors. Hello. And of course we have the Momo steering wheel with these are red backlit gauges. As you can see here.
Beautiful, right?
And the classic Honda beep with Euro R in the middle. And pop the hood to go look at our beautiful the latch. Yes, and here we have our beautiful K20 AR2 there, 4-cylinder. No, don't touch that. The car's been driving. It's gonna be hot as hell. Yeah, don't touch it. And right here we do have our strut brace for extra chassis rigidity. And we do have our little certificate of authenticity, CL7 type Euro R. So no fakes around here, no body kits. Can close this now. Ah, wonderful. Now and we do have our mirror indicators, our Mugen wing, just pronounced properly. Yeah. Oh, my apologies, my mistake. Yes, dead body storage. We have extremely spacious trunk. I mean, could this work as a mafia vehicle? Yep, that's okay. They have to be dead first or knocked out before you put them in the trunk.
What did he say?
Not you, of course, baby. Not of course. And she's 5'9" and she fits fine. And usually.
A kidnapping a go on?
No. Okay. Alright.
No.
Whoops. Yeah, legs first. I'm gonna just dry you out.
Yes.
Okay. Oops.
Are you pulling?
No, it felt like the key was gonna stab me in the side. Oh, my head
Very
hurts.
uncomfortable getting out.
Well, if you're gonna
Clearly
put
not
dead bodies in the
supposed to
trunk, they're not taking themselves out, so. Alright. Woo! There are reflectors down here on the rear. Wonderful Euro R badge, you know. So Euro in silver and then R in red. Okay. And our red rear Honda badge.
Co-host is hurt.
Yeah, co-host is hurt. But you have two wonderful rear ends here. Yes. CL7 Euro R people. Okay. It like I changed gear and the right tire was on like new asphalt, so it spun on it.
I don't think it can fly.
As long as you have power, you can make any gap. Run on our way home now.
No.
Bring this fine car back home.
Yeah.
Park in its space.
Yeah.
Sleep in its bed.
Yeah.
Until next time, it's back on the road.
Thank you for tuning in. Oh, you never done.
Is it the co-host doing the closing remarks? But yeah, I don't know. I think I might be ending the video here. I don't know if I'm going to be like doing anything on Boulevard. Or, yeah, it's traffic time now, so there's no real possibility to do anything anyway. Or anything on the toll really. So I think this is where we end for today, and I bid y'all goodbye for now.
Friends, goodbye. Sing now. It's time to go. Sing.
I don't know the song.
But hey, I say that's okay, 'cause we'll see you very soon, I know. Very soon, I know. Goodbye, goodbye, good friends, goodbye. Goodbye now, it's time to go. 'Cause, okay.